Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, PrincetonTrader.com, here for NTMarkets.com with your Thursday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, S&P 500 E-mini futures. Here's a daily chart, and thanks to everybody that joined us yesterday for the free webinar. Anybody that hasn't checked that out, I would go ahead and check out the recording. Watch the first 15 minutes where I really kind of lay out in more detail some of the things that I'm about to talk about right now. The bears definitely have the advantage in this tape. We're in sell rallies mode. We're beginning to engage the lower band. If the bears can do some follow through and get the bands to expand, we could do a little bit of a band ride. If the band ride breaks 1900, then the natural target would be the August 24 lows down here. You'd be looking at the 1831 area. So I'm taking everything with a grain of salt. I'm expecting some kind of a decent looking rally in RTH, but the area of the daily pivot today around 28 is a natural area that could exhaust. We're continuing to make lower highs and lower lows, and any objective view of what's happening is bringing you to the conclusion that the bears remain in control of this market. This is the longest we've been under the 200-day exponential moving average, which is the purple line up there at 2033. The longest we have been underneath that moving average in a number of years. So the bears are doing everything they can to try to control the tape. So you can be long. We were long yesterday. We were long last night. We were long a little bit ago. And if you're long, you have to be long with an eye towards the exit door. Take your profits. You can have a runner, but understand that longs are there to be sold and that the short-term predominant trend is sideways to down. So that's just a simple rule. Now, if you're short, don't get greedy. Take your profits, because the problem with bearish markets is that the rallies they come out of nowhere, they are violent, and they can run. And there's no sense round tripping shorts because you have some thesis in your mind about an ultimate downturn. Okay? Take your trades, make your money, get your risk out, leave runners on, move to the next setup. It's very simple. Okay? All right. Like I said, the first 15 minutes of the webinar, lay that out. The recording's up on the website. It's on my Twitter stream. We're going to do another one next Wednesday. We're doing one of these a week. They're just great. We're getting some fantastic feedback. The Q&A sessions are great, and I love doing them. And as long as I love doing them, and you guys keep liking the fact that I'm doing them, I'm going to keep on doing them. So we're going to do it again Wednesday the 30th at 4:30. Okay, everybody have a good one. Follow us on Twitter at Princeton Trader. Check out the website, PrincetonTrader.com. Come check out the chat room. I'll be back tomorrow morning with another webcast. Trade 'em well, everybody.